Alright guys, so I decided to drag the Falcon home and we are going to get this thing cleaned up because it is pretty nasty. Kiddos are going to help me get this thing washed. I guess it's polishing a turd, but it definitely needs it. I also need to work on cleaning out. There's a ton of garbage inside this thing. So I'm going to clean that all out too. Car's all washed up and dried off, and it may not look like it, but it actually does look a whole lot better. All the green scum and mildew is all off of it. Ended up just ditching the rag and going with a Scotch-Brite pad. That was the seemed to be the best course of action. Still need to tackle all this in here though. Things look a whole lot better. All that garbage cleaned out. Still gotta vacuum it out. Still smells like mouse pee in here too. That's to be expected. Alright, I'm gonna get the seat pulled out of here. I think there's one bolt in it. That way I can vacuum all this junk out of here. Hancock County, Tennessee, wheel tax receipt. I don't know what a wheel tax receipt is. date on it. 94. 2/3 of 94. This is how you detail a car. Look at all the holes for different, I'm assuming, seats that have been in this thing over the years. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the back, 6 more in the front. Radio's been tortured. Oh man, it already smells better in here, getting all that junk sprayed out and the seats out of here. Oh, I still need to get to the trunk yet. There's a lot of trim back there and stuff I need to sort through though, because I don't want to lose any little pieces or stuff, so I'm not going to touch that yet. Oh, another thing I need to address is this window. When I picked the car up, it would roll up and down. And when I was there loading the car up, I rolled the window all the way down, and I heard a thunk. And now the window won't roll up. So I think it fell off of the track, so I'll pull this door panel off of here. Obviously it's no good anyways, but get that pulled off of there and see what's going on back there. Oh, that was easy. Let's see, what do we got? Oh, yep, that's an important piece, which is broken. Yeah, so I believe this is what rolls in that track. Yeah, it's combusted. I might be able to get it, but it's gonna fall off again, I think. There we go. I guess I'll leave it up. Definitely needs some TLC. Well, one problem kind of fixed. There is some trash in here. Well guys, we got this dirty old bird cleaned up. Man, I just pulled loads of trash out of the thing. It may not look like it. It was kind of felt like polishing a turd. I think my neighbors were kind of looking at me funny. But we got this thing cleaned up and looking a whole lot better. It doesn't smell as bad inside anymore. It smelled like mouse pee. Like filled my garbage can up, more than filled it up full of trash that was inside it. So it's making some progress. But guys, be sure to tune in, because in a future episode I'm going to finish the adapter that I'm working on to adapt from the 2-barrel carb that I have to the 1-barrel intake, and I want to see if I can get this thing running and potentially driving. So guys, I appreciate you watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Drop any questions you have down below, and as always, get out to your garage, work on your stuff, and tune in next time. Thanks guys, have a great day.